Silly Division Dance Party. Hey awesome math explorers, it's your favorite teacher here, ready to break down 498 divided by 2 with a super fun dance party twist. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our amazing math adventures. Alrighty, let's start the show. We're diving into 498 divided by 2. We look at the first digit of 498, which is 4. Let's use this digit. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check. 2 times 2 is 4, perfect. Now subtract. 4 minus 4 equals 0, so neat. Great job, you're rocking this division dance. We have a remainder of 0. Now let's bring down the next digit, which is 9. We've got 0 and we bring down the 9. Now we have 9. We're using the 9 from 498. Our new number is 9. How many times does 2 go into 9? It goes in 4 times. Let's multiply. 4 times 2 is 8, so close to 9. Time to subtract. 9 minus 8 equals 1, woohoo. Fantastic work, you're keeping the rhythm going. We have a remainder of 1. Let's bring down the last digit, 8. We have a remainder of 1 and we bring down the 8. Our number is now 18. We're using the 1 and 8 to make 18. We're almost there. How many times does 2 fit into 18? It's exactly 9 times. Let's check. 9 times 2 equals 18. Exactly right. Subtract. 18 minus 18 is 0. We finished. Amazing job, you nailed this step. We've got no remainder left and no more digits to bring down. We're done. And the grand total is 249. You did it. We just conquered 498 divided by 2 step by step. Remember, long division is like a puzzle and you've got all the pieces to solve it. Keep practicing and you'll be a math magician in no time. That's all for today's dance party. Keep those math moves going and check out more awesome videos on Let's Stud. See you next time, Math Stars.